Hello dear beautiful people, first of all I would like to thank you very much for joining me in. My name is Sunny and thank you so much for stopping by my channel, Sunny CB. I am so grateful to have you here. The most renowned and segment leading CB190R, which was launched in India a few years ago, also known as Hornet 2.0, has been updated for the international market for year 2024. The Honda CB190R carries similar name and badge from its previous ongoing model, but looks, aesthetics, ergonomic remain unchanged. As per Indian variant gets even hardware and counter cycle parts. In new update and color, the 190R looks fabulous and muscular from my personal point of view. Rest all remains the same. The engine, the chassis, the suspension, brakes, electronic remains unchanged. Hats off Honda. The bike comes under the sub 200cc category, and that of course the heart, the engine, which gets a displacement of 184cc. The motorcycle looks muscular with the sharp sculpted tank extension, which inherits and follows the naked Street Fighter nature from their bigger sibling. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe so you would be notified for the future content. The CB190R marks the entry of the Japanese manufacturer's entry into the fierce 180cc space. The CB190R shares its underpinnings with the Hornet 2.0, which is Honda's 190cc naked motorcycle in the international markets. However, it does differentiate itself from its sibling with a pair of LED lamps and new body panels. It has a ground clearance of 167mm, and it tips the scale at 142 kg. Further, it has a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters. Powering the Honda CB190R is a 184.4cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, which is capable of developing 17.03 bhp and 16.1 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The CB190R is built around a diamond-type frame, and it gets its stopping power from a 276mm disc at the front and a 220mm disc at the rear. Its 17-inch wheels are shod with a 110/70/17mm C54 S-section tire and a 140/70/17mm C66 S-section tire at the front and rear, respectively. Lastly, the bike rides on upside-down forks at the front and a monoshock at the back. As far as its features are concerned, the Honda CB190R new model comes with slip and assist clutch, full LED lighting for the headlamp, tail lamp, and side blinkers. Furthermore, it comes with a reverse LCD instrument cluster, which displays a bevy of rider-centric information. On the safety front, the bike comes equipped with single-channel ABS as standard. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future content. Thank you.